Welcome to our Arpeggeo series of demos. In this video, I would like to demonstrate our mineral domaining workflow and workflow for identification of geospatial mineral domains from drill hole samples. This project was developed in 2 months with one of our mining clients. We start the workflow by uploading a minerals table. This table contains a set of minerals that have been already seen in the mineral deposit. In this case, the client provided us with this table containing a couple of minerals that you can see here. The workflow recognizes all mineral names from the International Mineralogical Association, and so by just looking up the name we can figure out what are the chemical formulas of these minerals. This is important in order to be able to convert chemical elements into mineral compositions. The workflow automatically detects that some of these names provided in the minerals table are not approved by the international standard, and so if the client wants to use custom names, it can additionally provide this other table with custom mineral definitions. In this case, the client provided us with another table containing names of minerals and their chemical compositions that will override the International Mineralogical Association standard. By providing this table, the workflow will check if these names are having compositions that add up to 1 and will redistribute the mass if that's not the case. We can then upload our drill hole sample, which is just a table with XYZ coordinates and some metadata besides the chemical elements, and the workflow will figure out that some of these measurements, like these 3 ones here, are compositions. They are not made of single chemical elements. And so the workflow will identify these columns and will break them down using their periodic table percentages. The workflow then shows a summary of the uploaded data, like marginal distributions of minerals that have already been seen in that mineral deposit, and constructs an element-to-mineral conversion table using either the International Mineralogical Association standard when the name is found in the standard or the custom table provided by the client. The user can then select or unselect chemical elements to participate into this conversion. In this case, we unselected oxygen and copper in this conversion. After the selection, we see that 93,000 samples from the drill holes are complete and ready for the conversion. Here are some summary statistics shown for the samples that were selected. The user can then check this box to proceed with the workflow. The mineral conversion in this first beta version is very simple. It just consists of an optimization problem to find the optimal mineral composition that minimizes the error after converting a mineral composition into a chemical composition using the conversion table that was built. We can also bias this solution towards the marginal distribution, and we have constraints to make sure that the end result has expected minimums and maximum percentages of given minerals from geological knowledge. The user can control here in the result what's the minimum and maximum for each of these minerals that has been seen, and then pressing the box here will run the optimization for each of the 93,000 samples. At the end, we can see the minerals in each of the drill hole samples and their mean, median, and max statistics as shown here. The results are automatically saved into these mineral estimates for each of the drill hole samples. The workflow introduced fictitious minerals to accommodate chemical elements that are not present in the minerals that were listed initially. And here it shows the error of the optimization, or this square error between the chemical composition and the estimated chemical composition from the mineral solution. We can then see the actual correlations in compositional space, where you can select here the different minerals that were obtained in the optimization to see the actual correlation that's corrected for compositional data, and see a biplot of how these minerals are related or aligned. We can then press this checkbox to proceed to the geostatistical clustering phase, where we want to now group these mineralogical compositions at each sample into mineral domains. We select the number of clusters or domains, and an approximate range that controls the spatial continuity of these mineral domains. We use the geostatistical hierarchical clustering algorithm to perform this domaining step, and we can see here in the drill hole samples that each color now represents a given mineral domain. We can see the marginal distribution of mineral in each of these 5 domains that we selected here, and identify in each of these domains what's the most common mineral or their summary statistics at the bottom. Here we show the mean statistics for each of these 5 domains side by side so that you can have a bigger picture of what's happening. These domains are automatically saved in this domain estimate CSV table in the folder where the solution is running. We can then proceed to the final step, which is geospatial interpolation, where we describe the block model where we want to perform this mineral domain estimation, and the workflow will then fill in all these blocks with the most likely mineral domain. The block model is then exported in the CSV file that is also written to disk. If you would like to have more information about these workflows, or if you would like to build other custom workflows in short time period projects, please contact us.